Right, I got bored, so I thought I'd do a voice tutorial anyway. So, this is for the Star Wars thing. Um, Open Vegas and wait, and just make a new project if you haven't got one. Go to the media generators and down to text. Just add a default text and leave it as you want, whatever. Then you want to go to this button here along the right, Event Pan and Crop. This is for the main bit as the Star Wars zooms out, as it were. You get this screen when you press that button. What you want to do is just resize the box with the F in it, and so you can't see it in the preview box. Then you go to the timeline down at the bottom and move the cursor right to the very end, and click this button with the create keyframe, or just press insert. Then you want to resize the box the right way, of course. And you want to resize it as big as you can. Use the mouse wheel to zoom out if you want. Resize it as big as you can, or whatever. And that should do it. Just play the movie. Yeah, that's gone wrong. I'll do that again. Right. Bear with me. Right. There we go. That should work. Yeah, there we go. Don't do what I just did and make it rotate when you're resizing it, otherwise it's just going to turn like it did in the first time. Anyway, now for the scrolling thing. Just do new project, no to that. Add some more default text, doesn't matter what you write again. And you want to go to this button here, it's the compositing mode. Click that and you drag down to the 3D Source Alpha option. Then you go to this button, it's like an arrow pointing at a square rectangle, called the Track Motion button. Click that and you get this sort of screen. What you want to do is highlight the middle line, it looks like the right line, and you want to rotate it to about 45 degrees or whatever you want. Close that, and you want to go back to the Event Pan and Cropping, and you move the box up a square so you can't see anything in the preview, that thing. Then you want to go right to the end, add another frame with the plus button, and move it down again, 2 squares. And that should make the scrolling effect. Timing can be changed later, and that's how you get the timing effect, the scrolling effect. If you want the stars, like I sometimes do, you want to go media generators again, noise texture. Go to standard noise, drag it in, and you get this. You want to change the noise style to marble light grain, number of layers to 5, and if I can remember how to do it, you just want to edit it so it looks alright, and then you change the opacity anyway to whatever you want. Play the file, the movie, and it'll do that. Anyway, that's enough.